PLL.
PSX Phillips 66 said plans to have
REVB.
active EV charging stations at over 30 sites across Texas, California, Colorado, Oregon, and Washington by the end of 2025. That's Papa Sandy X-ray, PSX.
SMFL. TLS.
TIXT.
FFIE. DNA.
MNPR. PRCT.
DNA. FFIE. 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 FFIE.
APDN. APLT.
FFIE.
APLT.
FFIE. 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 FFIE.
PRCT. PRCT.
REVB.
APDN.
APDN. APDN.
EYPT. SCPH. TIXT.
GDC. APDN. GDC. GDC.
APDN.
FFIE. APDN.
MGPH.
VRAX. VRAX. VRAX.
Look at that bullish engulfing on MMYT. Very nice. Look at that bullish engulfing
VRAX.
on MMYT. Very nice.
VRAX. VRAX.
BW.
SMFL.
APLT. EYPT.
APDN. EOSE. RR. EOSE. FFIE. GDC. GDC.
APLT.
GDC. GDC. FFIE.
Chris.
Shares of Rumble near the intraday high now, $6.28. Donald Trump currently speaking via Rumble on from North Carolina.
REVB.
Chris.
Ovinitiv explores sale of all operations in the Ultra Uinta Basin for $2 billion. That's
SMFL.
Oscar Victor
MGRM.
OVV.
SMFL. GDC.
COGT.
GDC.
ARAY.
DNA. DNA. GDC. QSI. FTHM.
ICSC.
FFIE. Riley. Riley.
BDTX.
Riley.
Cent.
Riley. GDC. GDC.
APLT.
Chris. GDC.
Aquablation
GDC.
therapy is a minimally invasive surgical procedure that uses a
PRZICT.
heat-free water jet to treat benign prostatic hyperplasia in men, BPH. Is a common condition that affects many men as they age and can cause lower urinary tract symptoms.
GFAI. GFAI. BYU.
Man, this is so niche. How big is this company?
BYU.
BYU.
4 billion. Okay, yeah, I think I'll stay away from this one. All right.
ASBI.
Keys. VHI, BBAI, TGT.
GDC
it's
at the
failing
highest
out. Maybe I can short it.
Golf Delta Charlie.
BYU.
Hard to borrow. $160.
BRAS.
Jesus.
And now someone said
168.
TikTok.
60.
That's Golf
What's the high
Delta
there?
Charlie
BRAS.
GDC.
67.40. It's at 160. 60. So that's about $7 a risk.
NRGB. LDI. RRGB.
14 shares.
Bitcoin at
Maybe it
the
gets down to fill this gap.
high of the day
12, 12
Bitcoin
times
at
14.
60,525.
168. Is this really worth it?
BYNL.
Shares of
And that'll
Coinbase
require
at the highest now.
2200 capital.
COIN up about 3%, $203.07
It's worth it.
for Charlie Oscar
NRG.
India November.
SDIG.
Really worth it, but the trade probably would work. TGT, TTNP.
REVB.
TTNP, no.
AADI.
Beeger.
Audi.
Yeah, sure. Not very many of you know what that is. V'ger. SDIG.
Chris.
FFIE.
MGRM.
Yeah. Not really going anywhere. You, Amy, I'm already in it.
Merck.
Good. LiDAR.
GDC.
CONL.
GDC. GDC.
LiDAR. Nope. O'Reilly.
ARAY.
APDN.
Maybe by the end of the day, we'll come back to that one. Neon. Yeah. Extraordinary. I was in this a month ago. Got stopped out somewhere along here
BDTX.
and would have been at 2-to-1 risk reward had I stayed in. VRAX.
VRAS.
Yeah, I'm already in this. VRAX. GDC. $2 a risk. GRAX. I mean GDC. Why am I doing VRAX? Mixing the two. Alright. Let's grab some here.
GDC. DNA.
TRUP.
Alright, glue is moving. It's time to
VRAX.
make sure we got some price targets set on glue. Since we're in it.
NRDY.
Okay, we're in it at 579, right around
TIRX.
here. 60 shares means
TIRX.
almost $2 a risk.
VRAX.
60 shares. 100 divided by 60. No, 60 divided by 100. Let's see, 60 divided by 100 divided by 1. 1
VRAX.
divided by 60 divided by 100. Okay, 1.7 cents of risk. Then I got it at 5.79. So $4 is the stop. Really? That low? No, I'm pretty sure I set it to 4.50. $1.50 of risk.
FFIE.
Yeah, and I just rounded to 60. Okay, got it. $1.50 of risk. So 1 to 1 would be 7.50.
GDC.
That's up there. All right. We needed to take profits at 6 and also some at 6:38. So I will take some. I'll take some right now for that reason.
FFIE.
And 6:58, and then
APDM.
7, just under
Iovance,
7.
Moving to the highs now.
APDN.
$11.86
FFIE.
being mentioned in a tweet
7.
from Martin Shkreli.
LDI.
750. Martin Skrilla. What about
Says
that guy?
pretty attractive long idea.
Half out by
IOVA,
750. 1 to 1.
DNA.
That's not a thing. That's just okay. 794.
RR.
that's
SLRN.
India, Oscar
All
Fisher
right. Well, those are set. Good to cancel.
AVAHWSN.
SLRN. Neon. DNA. TNA. DNA. SLNH.
BYU.
QBTS. ADAP. RR.
Benzinga market update. S&P futures up 29.75. The Dow futures up 88. Nasdaq up
DNA.
137. Crude is down $1.14 at $72.03. Gold is up $6 at $25.5660. Bitcoin futures
DNA.
now up 1,120 at 60,790.
DW.
Coming up after the close, earnings from letter A Agilent, ZM Zoom Video, URBN Urban Outfitters, SNOW Snowflake reporting after the close.
FFIE.
WSN.
FFIE. FFIE.
ARBK. EDTX.
DNA. REBB. VSE,
Med.
VSE, GDC, GDC,
APLT.
GDC,
BDTX.
GDC, GDC,
ARBK.
Riley, GDI, VRAS,
550 stop. Let's see, PSNL.
Riley, Riley,
550 stop should be good. 80 cents of risk. $125 shares.
FFI.
What was that last thing? EOS. Did not get a fill on that, and it might be taken off. Let's go take a look. Oh no, I'll get a fill in a second here. AEHL. What's up with that? AEHL.
Riley,
Okay. MWSNF.
PLL.
Riley,
Okay. Vimeo. There's the fill on EOS. Vimeo, Vimeo. God.
Med.
Look at the risk reward on that. So beautiful. That's 2.5 to 1 and still going, and I'm up 19% on that and taking profits along the way. WW.
FFIE,
AYRL.
NRD1,
Okay. That'll be interesting. I don't have any profit target set on that. Okay, just got filled on PSNL. WW.
REVB, REVB,
Okay, I'm gonna set some profit targets here. 119.
REVB,
$134.
REVB,
38. That's too close to the other one. Let's do 44.
UVIX, DNA,
159.
MGRM.
163. That's too close to 159. 163. 169.
PLL.
Okay, from there to there, that's a huge move. I should be at least 60 or 70% out by then, and right now I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half my orders.
DNA,
50% out by there. I need to be more out by there,
Med.
so I need to break up these orders a little bit.
PRCT.
REVB, DNA, TCS.
40, 80, 120. It's about a third out by 144. That's almost not aggressive enough.
TCS.
Alright, that's 200, so that's 2/3 out by 170.
GDC.
He's slightly more aggressive than that, so I'm just going to insert a couple of 5s in there. Wherever they can fit. Okay, so that's 215.
SXTV.
That's 72% out by 2 to 1. I need to be slightly more aggressive than that. I'm going to put this
Northeast.
20 up here and put a 5 in between. Should do it. 220 divided by 300. 73% out. Believe it or not, I need to put another one in here. Let's move this one up there and take a little partial right there.
VRAX.
Okay, that's
GDC.
good enough. 225.
GDC. VRAX. Riley. ATUS. Northeast. REVB. ATUS. REVB. GDC. REVB. GDC. 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 FFIE. REVB. REVB.
Hit 450, but did not take my order. Okay. It is what it is.
GDC. 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 FFIE. GDC.
GDC. GDC. GDC.
GDC.
GDC. GDC. 6 to 8, $2 risk 50. Short. And good till cancel orders not accepted. Sell short. Got it. Okay. Short Lumen. stop as before.
RR.
BDTX.
REDB.
It's got a lot of downside potential. Could take a month to get there. That's the way it goes sometimes. Better than a year.
FBNC.
I like to put credit spread situation here. Let's see what's the liquidity. Open interest and volume 20. It's a little close. What can I get?
REDB.
10, let's see. 150 out of 850 divided by 850. 17.6% return
REDB.
on a 17.
GDC. RR.
Yeah, that seems alright. Whoa! Let's send
GDC.
that in.
Ryland.
I don't know, the bid ask on that's a little wide. Okay, just got my first profit
APDN.
target on GDC.
APDN.
Nice.
GDC.
Little illiquid. What if I did the 320 on ANET?
GDC.
That's also a little illiquid. Turn is great though. Now we're talking 320, 310. It just looks like it's just not quite
APDN.
the IV percentile we're looking for. These are not the IV
APDN.
percentiles
FFIE.
you're looking for. Damn it, it missed my other exit too. Oh, maybe I got another exit.
APDN.
Oh, I did. I got 2 exits already on GDC. Fantastic. Okay, next
Yeah.
exit's 596. All right, so GDC's
SCM.
flying. Oof, nice. What a candle, huh? Damn. L Techno.
GDC.
Doing good. Techno.
GDC.
All right. How about stocks that are not doing good in my port?
GDC.
Aren't too many. This one. SNGX.
GDC.
GDC.
Halfway to my stop already.
BDC.
GDC.
GDC. GD.
It's okay to hold.
GDC.
GDC.
BDC.
LGM. Okay, no, I don't really need that. One's doing just
GDC.
fine.
GDC.
I don't really need to look at
BDC.
that one. 19. This one's doing fine as well. DSY. I'm up 100% on that. Okay, here's another one to check. Oh, SNGX. That's the same one. All right, here's one where it's almost at the stop. MRVI.
ABC News reported RFK Jr. planning to leave 2024 race by the end of the week. That from ABC News.
GDC.
880 stop. Yeah, we're right there. MRVI just didn't have what it takes. But we'll sit there
SXTP.
to the stop for a few more days if it'll let us.
Wayne up.
For an hour. It might not let us do it for an hour. Because the company may pick up with some press releases or something. We'll see. Bumble.
RDB.
Okay. Where am I on that? Plus 17%. I have no profit targets set. Yeah, that probably needs some profit targets set. What happened to the music? that's just how it ends. All right.
GDC getting a pop to the high. GD Culture, $4.98.
All right, gotta set Bumble profit targets into my system. Man, it hasn't seen these levels hardly ever. Bumble.
GDC.
It's never. Okay, so it's never seen these levels.
REBB.
50 shares
GDC.
means I got in for $2 of risk, and that was at 560. So that means I set my stop at 360, which is ridiculously large.
SMFL.
Strange. I must have not got a full fill on that I wanted to. Let me go back in my history.
REBB.
Bumble. 100.
REBB.
And on different dates, I hit different profit targets apparently.
REBB.
And I'm half out. Okay, I'm half out to this point already.
REBB.
Where the hell did I get those profit targets from? Looks like I was taking profits about every 15 cents. Last one at 6.49. That seems prudent.
Skin.
I think I'll keep that up and just take what I can get on that, because it could be just a partial gap fill. So 650 plus 15 is 665. So a lot of orders right there. Let me zoom in on that.
REBB.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right underneath those other orders,
DNA.
BDTX.
and then 680 would be the next one.
REBB. REBB.
Underneath 7. Put that underneath these other orders.
REBB.
CVSA.
REBB. GDC.
Okay. All right, Bumble, you now have all of your GDCs up
Yeah.
22%. Woo, yeah.
BRAX. SMFL. BRAX. REBB. FFIE. REBB. SMFL. SMFL.
CVSA.
REBB. 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 North-northeast. REBB.
Oh. Lumen is a short. I gotta put that in the correct folder. Lumen, where did you go?
SMFL.
Here.
EVPR.
Rev B. Crapped out.
ARBK.
Let's come back from that moment. So typical. But I needed to get out earlier anyway. JC AEHL. Okay, moving up from the bottom. V high. I'm all out of.
BVPR.
Apps. Okay, that's fine. That's fully profit targeted out. Went.
Sub.
Good there. CMPL. Got those profit targets set as well. TSSI.
TCS.
TSSI. Yeah, those profit targets are in also. I write in the entry on that 342.
Northeast.
BYU.
White House
Which
says
day
Vice
that
President
was that I
Harris will
got
bring
in.
forward Biden and Israel's Netanyahu.
Check that. Let's see.
Biden spoke with
TSSI.
Netanyahu on Wednesday to discuss Israel's ceasefire and hostage deal.
FFIE.
The 15th near close of market. Yeah, that's right here. Okay. And then my original purchase amount was TSSI 60
FFIE.
shares. 1.7 cents risk. 240. 70. What? No, this is not correct. 60 shares of risk. Okay, 50 shares of risk would be $2 of risk. 60 shares of risk would be, yeah, 170. This is grossly undersized. I think I too small that day.
Way.
343. Oh, okay, and I have 30 now, yeah, but and I sold at these points. Sitting there, okay. Alright, well, what was my break even then? $1.70 should be the break even, but that's ridiculous. The correct break even should be at least $2.
CORZ.
I must have been just thinking fast. Set the stop to $2, $1.50 of risks, guessed 60 shares, should have been 70. That's fine, but also the risk probably could have been
GDC.
$250. 100 shares could have been in order. Anyway, alright, that's alright. Let's stop in. I'm guessing I must have
FFIE.
the $2 stop.
FFIE.
It is 3 o'clock, so this is power hour now. What's gonna do well is gonna remain strong or become strong at the close here, and will potentially do bad. We'll start to crap out now as people take their money off the table and don't want to hold it overnight.
FFIE.
Did want to see how did Lumen look into the close. Some Christmas music or some shit. It is. Oh my god.
FFIE. GDC. FFIE.
Okay, at the close we've got GDC, VRAX, Neon, Riley, PRCT, GFI, LiDAR. I mean, I looked at all these. None of them look great. Let's see. GDC. I think I'm already in it. Yeah, I'm already in it. It does look great. Can't alert it at this point. It's insane. I'm in it and got profit target set already. GDC, VRAX.
BBAI.
VRAX is looking okay into the close.
GDC. GDC.
APDN.
Okay, and I'm in it. Yeah. Stop to $3.
GDC.
230 of risk. So I can
GDC.
actually pick up another 10 shares here.
GDC.
GDC.
Oh, good, and it's lower than what I bought my original shares at.
GDC.
Okay, I'm gonna send out this alert.
GDC.
VRAX. Dollars. There you go. Boom.
APDN.
Rocket Lab.
APDN. REVB. GDC.
Dip those shares on VRAX. CDLX IPA. I have no profit target set on CDLX. Oh no,
GDC.
yes I do. Okay, good.
APDN.
Estig.
GDC.
GDC, another pop here to the highs, $5.25.
AGMH.
Delta
GDC.
Charlie.
Look at that Estig.
Shares up 200% now on GD Culture Group on that TikTok channel announcement.
Tic Tac channel.
GDC.
GDC. GDC.
GDC. GDC. GDC.
Get some dropouts. there.
GDC.
Ah,
GDC.
stream quality's a little low. Let's bump it up a little. Hello, hey Michael. Oh no, you disappeared. 302, you said that. Ah, just missed you.
FFIE. GDC.
Hello, Michael. I am live. Okay, let's keep
GDC.
going through these.
GDC.
Let's also see if there's any high growth topics. Kava is releasing earnings like tomorrow.
GFAI.
Seg. MMYT, I just love this one. If you can find the
GDC.
liquidity, bullish engulfing candle
GDC.
today and new all-time highs roughly. Chewy. Chewy doing good coming into earnings. App. That was, by the way, that was the last time I bought an option. And last time I will ever buy an option. I'm just gonna sell options because it's so much less pain. What was the last one I just had up there? App. Yeah, app looks outstanding for a put credit spread. App. Let's see what the chain looks like. I'm here still. It had me sign in. Ah, okay. I'm here still. It had me sign in. It's all in how you read it. I'm here still. It had me sign in. Or is it I'm here still. It had me sign in. Or is it I'm here still it had me sign in. There's so many ways you could read that. That's like, did you see the Key and Peele one where they're texting each other? He says, what are you doing right now, or whatever. And the other guy's like, what do you want to do, or something. And he says,
DNA.
nothing, whatever. He says, nothing, whatever.
GDC.
And then the other guy reads it, and it says, nothing, whatever,
GDC.
nothing, whatever.
GDC.
Something like that. Okay, let's see the liquidity here. 4,000 option contracts have traded today on. No, that's ANET. Give me app. 8,000 contracts have traded today on app. We'd be looking at the 8075, 8075, which is 500 wide. No, yeah, 500 wide. It's giving us 55 cents, 445. 12.5% return. The Ivy is too low. So low. Try the 8070. That might be better.
GDC.
$1.55 divided by 8.45. That's 18.3%. That could be good for the
APDN.
8070. Alright, that's what I'm gonna get. The 8070. See if it'll fill me. Not an easy fill. Okay. But I'm still gonna alert it to everybody.
REVV.
APP PCS October 18 8070. I think I did just get filled. Yes. Okay, great. I'll take it. It's not super, but yeah, I like it. I like it. Over in bullish. There we go.
FFI.
Okay, RevB, GDC, PSIG. What do we got going into the close here? Riley, VRAX, Neon.
Watching shares of Franklin Resources.
Don't even know what to do with that. It's insane. We missed it. You know, we were in it. We got stopped out. VRAX, I already alerted, and I'm in it.
Shares of Franklin Resources are currently selling down about 9.8%. Ticker BEN,
Kind of fading.
Bravo Echo November.
That VRAX, I think I put stopped at 350 though, so that's a nice wide stop. TJT, and for some reason it popped, and I suppose I should alert that. It's gonna be
APDN.
like, why didn't you tell me? All right. Something going on there. TJT. It's on pop. Stop. 21. We might lose internet or something here, or electricity. I just saw a weirdly strange glitch happen.
Yeah.
Okay, Riley. Wanted to visit that at the end of the day and see how it closed. And yeah, no thanks. Well, nah. GFAI.
GDC.
Not a big enough volume day. PYYX, and that's the nice thing about checking these things at the end of the day.
GDC.
PYYX, no thank you. GFI LiDAR.
GDC.
Pretty bad close on LiDAR. SDIG, I've already got some.
SMFL.
I told him I already got some, you Ammy. Yeah, I mean, that's just flying. I got my profits target set on that. We're already in it. V'ger.
APDN.
Okay. No. TGT. No. BBAI. No. And VHI. No. Okay, good. That's
BBN.
that list now. Also TTNP. ABLLW. That's a nice stepping pattern there. Yeah. It's not that unusual though. Alright. We leave that alone. RevB, GDC, PSIG, Riley L. What are those, preferred shares or something? Depository shares.
GDC.
Strange. Alright, keys. Nope. GRFS.
DNA. GDC.
No.
GDC.
RFB, VHI, BBLA, GLMD,
DNA.
Galmed, Pharmaceuticals. Nope. It's red. UBG, XG.
DN.
Boy, that one just keeps flying. We'll put that on the list of things to short when it gets way up there. Kind of looks like it's almost there, but we need a signal day. GDC Neon Chris. Ah, there we go. That's perfect. Is that OTC? No, it's NASDAQ. I love this one. Give me some. Give me some. I'd put the stop underneath the whole damn thing. We're talking $4, $6 of risk. $2 of risk to $4. So I will grab some here. Let me cancel that and just grab it at the ask. Okay, putting out the alert. That's what we're looking for on a day one.
APDN.
Didn't have $1 million minutes though, but we'll give it a try. It's a little thin. It's a little
GDC.
thin. Stop $4. There we go. Chris, okay. Riley, and I'm in on that now. Let's see if anything's going sour or bad at the end of the day here.
FFIE.
Especially anything new that I got in. RR is back a little strong on the day. Yeah, look at that. See? Flatten the shit out of that. Let's get out. That doesn't look good. We don't like that. Nope.
MEIP.
I might flip negative. I might flip to the short side. Let's see. 25 cents of risk, so 400 shares short.
BDTX.
Give me it. Give me it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let me have it. Come on, come on, come on.
APDN. APDN. APDN.
Riverview Bancorp ticker.
It's not giving it to me, okay. I'll have to enter at the bid then.
Reports a 5% stake.
It's not giving me that. Is it halted? Oh, there we go. All right, I'm in now.
Shares at the high
I was
trade,
in earlier along apparently.
6%.
Oh yeah, this is the one. Yeah, and I got out for one third
Victor,
of my risk unit. That's fine. That's an excellent mitigated exit. Next up, let's keep
GR1.
flowing through these. So that was a nice catch there. And now I got to switch these around. Break-even is right here, and my stop is up here.
FFIE.
And we look to see if this fails out over the next few days, but you know that's not great. What else could happen is it shifts gears, goes from reverse to drive, and then goes right over the top of today's high. You know that's why we'd stop out as a short, and that's how short squeezes happen. Because to stop out of a short, you have to buy to cover, and that creates double buying. Lunar looking fine. Okay, any other picks on the day? That was just managing that one and flipping around. Any other picks on the day? Riley, Chris, SLGL. Quite a nice move there. The volume is not unprecedented though. Yep, we just skip it. FBGL. BLG rather. Okay, it's not closing strong enough and not enough volume. Zep. Zap was doing good. Now it looks like Zep is the next one. No, it's nothing extraordinary. EOs we got in, but should I alert it? Let's see. It's a real tough one. See, to me, this move above, so Michael, this is interesting. This move, I'm going to put this over here. EOS, it's easier to see. This move today negates this 4-point downtrend off of that high, which you would retro in the rearview mirror would consider the parabolic top, but it kind of wasn't the parabolic top, right? Kind of wasn't, and it just went into this 4-point downtrend, and so front side of the trade isn't over, because this day really tells you that. Although over here you could be suspicious of that, and it looks like in fact I did have a short on this, and I did make money on that. I sold here, down here. So that trade worked. I was short on it, but now I'm getting long. I'm long on it. And so should I alert it? Yeah, probably. And the stop should be to 180. And it's at 230. So 50 cents a risk. All right, I'm going to alert that. For others. Stop at 180. Pretty smooth action too. It doesn't look like offerings are on the table, or dilution. Does not look like dilution's going on.
Riley.
Back to EOS. For me as a long, yeah. So I got it at 226, which is just 3 cents lower.
Riley.
And it's working. All right, we gotta keep going here. We got all right, 42 minutes until the close. That's a lot of time. I've got something not doing well. What is going on? What is that? Possibly a little bit of Netflix pulling back. No, that's not it.
GDC.
What is that? Something's moving strongly in the wrong direction. Could be this GovX. Let me see. That I just got it. No, it's not violently moving. Something's moving. $50 for me in the wrong direction. Who is it here? Because I really don't have anything doing terrible. It says MRVI is almost at my stop. Yeah, it doesn't look good. MRVI. There's really nothing scary going on in it, though. There's no reason to just get out. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave that. I don't know. It seems like there was something pushing me down $50 on the day, which it doesn't seem like much, but I just like to know where because just a minute ago, that negative $50 was not accounted, didn't exist, so it's coming from somewhere. And I'm not sure where. I'm not seeing anything doing anything terrible.
GDC.
No.
REVB.
I don't know what it is. It could be an anomaly, just like a bid-ask spread issue on one of my put credit spreads or something. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Oh yeah, there it is. It is Netflix. It's Netflix bouncing around.
GDC.
MRVI, man, that looks like a short practically the way it is today. Basically, I'm at my exit on MRVI. Look terrible the way it's moving. I'm going to give it till tomorrow, even if it has me taking a little bit of extra risk on. I'd like to see where it goes. BDTX. Okay, let's keep going down the list. Wow. But not enough volume. But wow, what a nice move. BDTX, SLGL, Holo. Got in that, I think, yesterday and got stopped down, I think it was. Interesting.
GDC.
Yeah, it's not like just like hands over fist above prior action. And this looks like something that's been shelf offered into like Mad Dog. So no thank you. DGHI. I'm in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm in like 55, 60 positions already. So just FYI. Cosm.
GFAI.
And sometimes that's just the way the risk goes. On the high volatility, the risk is so wide that your position ends up being small. Cosm, no. ADD. No, not that. AD. We need the stock. Go. I'm in that. I don't see it. I must have sold already, or I never got filled.
Watching shares of Trump Media, ticker DJT.
I must have
Delta
sold
Juliet
already
Tango.
for a profit.
Report from ABC News, independent presidential
I guess.
candidate
Let me go back and look.
Robert F. Kennedy
ADD.
Jr. reportedly plans to endorse Trump.
GDC.
Oh wow, that's cool. Robert Kennedy Jr. is
That's
going to
following an
endorse
earlier report
Trump.
From ABC that
That's kind of
RFK
big
Jr.
news.
plans to drop out of the
Nice.
presidential race by the end
ADD. Yes, I had 500 shares.
shares
And I
of
sold
Trump
all of
Media
them
are currently up shy of 14%.
around 77 cents a couple days after getting in. 77 cents, like up here. Okay. At about a little over 1 to 1. That's fine. Good, good, good. And then today it's perking up again. I don't know what to make of that. Doesn't look like backside of the trade. So it's that front side. Just to stop would be down to 50 cents. 83. I'll get in. Not sure I'm going to alert that one, but I'm going to go ahead and take that risk. So it's like 85 cents to 50 cents, which is 35 cents. So 300 shares for $100 a risk. DD. All right. Boom, boom. Is that your squawk I'm hearing? Yeah. But I'm not sure. But you tell me. But I should be only in one.
ASTS.
Speaker headphones. If you have stereo, one speaker.
ASTS. GDC.
For some reason, it's in both my speakers.
GDC.
But I have it panned out to you guys only on the right
GDC.
speaker. And when I speak, it should be a cut above the music and the squawk.
GDC.
I believe, you tell me if any of those sound elements are at any annoying levels. Please let me know. Use me as the optimum, like where you want things to be, and then tell me, is the music too loud? Is the squawk too loud? I think I got it at a level where it's useful.
ATDN.
821 bid, 825 asked, so 823 should get me filled. You're just on your phone. The music
VRAX.
and squawk and me is just all blended.
VRAX.
Well, I mean, it is all, yeah, I know, left, right. It's all blended. But by that, I think you're trying to say
VRAX.
that it sounds good.
VRAX.
I just moved this order. There we go. Got the fill. In the middle of the bid-ask spread. That's kind of cool.
VRAX.
That's what market makers do. They get in the middle. All right, let's keep going through some of these. And Netflix has equalized, but that's not even a problem. Looks like everything else is just fine in the port. All right, continued position hunt here. Money hunting, that's what we're doing. CCLD. I mean, the reason why you get squawk going, oh, what'd you say? You demand, definitely need to jump on the course. Oh yeah, man. All that to get by. So the link is down in the description, by the way. I think maybe that's why you're saying that, because it's right down there. But if you're not and you need the link, let me know. I'll just type it in and give it to you. You definitely stand out over the other two when they're all going at once. Perfect. So I mean, I used to be a mixing engineer. So, and I used to mix orchestras and electronics all together and with dialogue and sound effects, and so I have a better sense for putting those audio things at the levels that they should be at than your average vlogger or streamer. Even then, though,
GDC.
things could be adjusted. It can be subjective. All right, CCLD does not look good, right, Michael? Oh, it was good. Wow, back there. Backside of the trade formed. It never broke down. Came back up. It never broke down, came back up. I guess that's because, yeah, it did that on earnings. Earnings said, oh, you know what? Never mind. So there might be a bit of a never mind thing going on here on CCLD, and we might be rushing back to 380 highs. In that case, I would take it either to the recent pivot low there, 250, the rounded stop, or the catalyst day low, 230. Was it this day? Morning, day, 210, basically $2. So the choice is 250 or $2. Let's look at that trading, how it's been transpiring. Which stock was that now? CCLD. Let's see how it's been trading
DNA.
over the course of many days, and where 250 would put us versus $2. So 250 would protect us under there. Look at how thin this is. This is just too thin. It's too thin. I don't even know why we're considering it. Let me go CCLD. Oh yeah, it's just too thin. Really cool price action, but it's just too thin, guys. CCLD, Holo, PYYX, we already looked at. LAC, is that Lithium Americas or something? Yeah, Lithium Americas Corp. Look, it is moving up, but not on volume. Not enough volume. I mean, we want to see extreme volume. We're getting into extraordinary moments on things. Only. That's the technique. STXS. Let's go a bottom reversal. This volume throws me off a bit.
SCLX.
That over here. STXX.
UIS.
Did the squawk just say that? I think it just said
IRBT.
STXS, or it said something like that.
GDC.
Stereo taxis. What's this? Stereo taxis. Company's been sideways for a
RDB.
decade.
APPN.
Nah, there's just not enough interesting volume going on there. GDC, VRAX, Neon, Riley, PRCT, GFAI, PYYX, STIG, LIDAR, UAMI, VGER, TGT, BBAI, we went through all those. RevB, we've been through. VHype, GLMD, we went through. UBXG, Keys, GRFS, we went through all those as well. ICBU could be a first red day, it says. Nope, that's not true at all. Unless this is not ICBU OTC. Here we go. Yeah, that could be a first red day.
FFIE.
But man, I kind of don't want to get into an OTC at the sub-penny level. Talking about hundreds of pennies here. I mean, the short
RDB.
squeeze that could happen on that, there you go, it's not even red anymore, could destroy you for
APPN.
life.
FFIE.
GLMD. Come on, let's get some more pictures. CLPT, NCNA, NCNA. That was popping the other day. Ooh, it's up and over that pullback. That's an entry. That's a beautiful 3-day signal. NCNA.
SMFL.
What do we want to put the stop at down here? 650. Perfect. It's at 9, so that's $2.50 of risk. So that's 33 shares. I think 100 divided by 250, 40 shares. Okay, got to do my math a little better. Okay, entering that and alerting it.
9.
NCNA stop 650. Boom, it's the 3-day pattern.
NNOX.
I don't know, Michael, if you attended that class. It was some of the first
RDB.
penny stocking strategy classes we had. Where the 3-day patterns, you know, first day, red day, and then push over technically the high of that first day, but you could also just go ahead and attempt a risk by entering when it breaks above the high of the red day. So it's not confirmed breakout in that sense, but still good to go. All right, we've got 902, 901. Okay, this thing is flying away from me. Not buy bid. I clicked the wrong button, but I'd love a fill. Can you fill me? Can you feel me? It was just at 892. And now 901 and not getting filled. NCNA. does look like in this pattern
APDN.
it's going to come back to about 885. So maybe I'll push this below 885. I'll put this at 890 and just wait a minute and we'll see what happens. Oh boy, the asks just lifted to 909. Situation's getting worse actually as far as it getting away from us. Alright, I'm gonna have to go in at 905 then. 904. Somewhere in the middle of between the bid and the ask. No fill? Really? Shit. Oi. Sellers do not want to sell. Alright, 905. No takers. 906. There we go. The middleman probably was a market maker. That means it's probably going to go down now, damn it. That's the way it goes. That's why you got to put a wide stop. The stop on this is a 650. So let's mark that out. Entry was here.
Halliburton, ticker HAL, Hotel Alpha Lima, oil field
Stop
services firm.
is
Halliburton hit by
here.
ransomware attack. Some staff told not to connect to internal network. That's ticker HAL, Hotel Alpha Lima. Shares selling off on
Music
that
is
headline,
interesting.
seeing a low of 30.95 down about 0.2%.
Alright, let's go through some more tickers here. EOS, HOLO, BDTX, ADD, DGHI, GF. I've been through all these. LXRX. I don't believe I pulled that up. Okay, well, it's nothing interesting happening. CCLD, PYYX, LAC, LIDAR, AIXI. Looked at that yesterday, I think.
Israeli Prime Minister's office denied
There's some
Israeli
pretty
TV report that
nice
Netanyahu
green volume.
withdraw troops from
Unprecedented levels of green volume coming off the bottom there.
Israel insists on all objectives for Gaza war, including security
I'm going to go ahead and risk that
their
one.
border.
AI, it's not going to get alerted though, but it is interesting. 45 cents, stop at 20 cents, call it. 25 cents a risk, 400 shares for $100. Buy bid.
UBXG. Watch the spread. REVB.
Alright, this music is stupid. There is a plugin for the software that I'm using right now. This is really cool. Listen to this, Michael. There is a plugin which will beep out if I say bad words live. It adds a 3-second buffer to the stream, and if I say, you know, a word that I do not want to get out onto the stream, like for example, I can slap that. It's a filter, so easy. I can just slap it on the TikTok stream, and I can put all kinds of words in there that, you know, I might accidentally say that it'll beep out. Isn't that fucking crazy? That's crazy. It uses AI and instantaneous dictation to figure out what you're saying and then beep it out and then cover what you said with a beep when you've said it. It perfectly beeps you out. Looking forward to slapping that on at some point when I get the TikTok account going. I'm on Twitter right now as well. On to... Wow, EOS is really flying. EOS. Okay, and EOS. Alright, you know, and I'm only up 4%, but you know, visually on the chart, looks great. Did I alert? Yeah, DJT alerted that earlier. Alright, we might be at the end of opportunities. Yeah, that is cool, right? How long was the delay there? Did you just respond to me talking about that? The chat might be quite delayed. Stream might be quite delayed. Kaba, what is this? Kaba. Ah, I love the way that looks, but just not with enough volume. GDC. Pulled back a bit.
MNPR.
Still a decent close. I mean, it bursted to 581. It's my next target. 581.
REVB. GDC.
You're kidding me, Michael. 582.
IGMS.
Son of a bitch. Oh yeah, Kaba. I mean, you were just talking about that too. Kaba, but
AKBN.
it's not on enough volume.
GDC.
You know, still like Michael, you know,
GDC.
if you want to take a risk, you just got to figure out where your stop's going to be. You're going to be wise about your stop. Like, let's say you say to yourself, you know what though? Maybe. I don't think so, but maybe. Let's just say you did, for argument's sake.
POSE.
Then you have to say to yourself, okay,
See
where
a
do I want to put my
report
stop?
from the
Like
information
really
titled
nearby?
"Nvidia's
I don't
Aggressive
fear
Sales
a
Tactics
big
Will
sell-off. I don't
Backfire."
fear a shelf offering
The
that
U.S.
would crush
Department of
me.
Justice is
And you go back and you look at the chart,
accusations by
and
customers
it
and
has
rivals
its
of Nvidia,
really
AEHF.
bad
including
moments.
AMD,
Huge crash
that the
there. Big
artificial
red, big
intelligence
red,
chip
big red,
designer
big
is
red. I'm
using
guessing,
an
Choom,
anti-competitive
all those
law,
are
including
are
in
off
how it bundles
dilutions.
its products.
So,
Ticker
so
NVDA.
you probably want to put your stop down
And
at 350
AMD.
down here.
That was a
Riley.
report
So
from
$6
the
entry, $3.50 stop. At the stop at $3.50, that's $2.50 of risk, and then you would figure it out from there. So say you wanted to get in for, you wanted to risk $50 divided by $2.50.
Riley.
What is that? 20? Yeah, 20 shares. So you get 20
FFIU.
shares. And let's say it proceeded to move up to $10 from here at $6. Then 6 to 10
GDC.
is $4. 4 times 20 shares is $80 of reward for $50 of risk. So it's not even that amazing anyway. And as you can see, it's not unprecedented volume at all. There's nothing unusual, and it's not coming out of a dormancy. What did I say the other day or this morning? Something about
REVB.
how to think about those things was unprecedented
SMFL.
and something else. I had a really nice description for that. Criteria SDIG, CLPT, STRM, like storm. Let's see.
REVB.
Nope. I mean, this is why I have this list here. Right here, I don't know if you can see that. It says
REVB.
RVOL pops. These are all the penny stocks that are popping, but filtered by that they're having strong volume. And then this is their change from the open, this column. It's sorted by that. And so obviously these are red. These are not up. These are down on the day from their open. Little by little they get stronger and stronger, and obviously GDC is fucking insane. That's the one we're looking at here. Yeah, that could have continuation tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow the GDC could hit 10. Who knows?
REVB.
That's not why I'm in. I mean, like, I'm not
Riley.
expecting that, but that could happen.
REVB.
Evoc. This is kind of interesting music. It keeps going back and forth between like movie music and then tracks. I wanted to just play just background music. But this has to be copyright free background music. So it's a copyright free background music playlist. I can't put on popular songs, unfortunately, or they'll shut down the stream. Stupid, right? Yeah, stupid. It's things that streamers have to think about. Gap up, cap. No. Korea Electric. ZEP, SLG, and NCI. Yep. Pennies 3-day breakout pattern. VRAX. See that? GovX, VTAC. Yes, but it didn't close above. That would be nice. Closed above. Let's see what kind of liquidity it traded. Not even that liquid. I was going to say if it's super liquid and crazy and hype, then that's just a little blip and could be worth getting in. But nope. BBLG.
GDC.
Yeah, it did it before, so it brings up any stocks that have done it in the last like 30 days.
GDC.
Did the pattern. Look at that. I mean, can you see the framework on that? That's like just perfect. zip, parabolic short, first bounce,
GDC.
double bottom, breakdown, backside of the trade, reflection, coming back down for further break and something out. It's all right there. Empower.
GDC.
We got 18 minutes until the close.
GDC.
CYN. I mean, I must have been through 200.
Delta Airlines,
300 tickers so
DAL,
far today.
Delta Alpha Lima,
Maybe
deposit
more.
flights between New York,
GDC.
Thank God it
JFK,
filters them
and
for you,
Tel Aviv
you
through
know?
October 31st. Ticker DAL.
And you're just not
Delta
looking through
Alpha Lima.
charts. Thank God we have screeners. LE. But the nice thing is to make sure your screeners
Delta Airlines also says a travel waiver
capture
is issued for all customers
a
who book
more
travel to and
broad
from
EPDN.
Tel Aviv before
selection.
October 31st.
and don't limit it down and cut out. It's not false
Apple
positives.
ticker
It's the opposite.
AAPL, Apple's longtime app store.
Yeah,
head
it is
stepped down
false
in
positives, I guess you could say.
reorganization. That's coming
RNLX,
from Bloomberg, ticker AAPL Alpha.
RNAS,
REKR.
Shim.
BMTX.
REBB.
Those are quickly fading as possibilities. Weena. I mean, it's got the little volume pop, but it didn't make much of a move. And it looks so scraggly since it's $10 SPAC.
PLTK.
Compo was that one I was telling you about this morning. That was a $10 SPAC that just keeps going after it retraced back to its $10 level. Let's take a look at some mids and bigger. Futu.
Shares of Apple off the low of 225.05
Nah.
after that headline. The App Store had
On
to step
along.
down in reorganization. Ticker AAPL.
Yeah, Apple. We know
Apple.
Apple. What did it say? The news was what? Somebody's going to step down? Catch that.
CMRX.
NTRA. Abercrombie and Fitch.
GRAX.
That's looking good, but earnings is coming up, so we wouldn't want to get into that. TTD.
HST.
Teradyne Systems. I'm
REBB.
looking for charts that have a lot of consistent uptrend like MMYT does. Nice, smooth, consistent uptrend. GME.
PSNL.
I have a position in GME. It's just
DNA. REBB.
it hasn't really done anything. I'll probably just cut it soon, especially before earnings.
REBB.
GME Marvell. We've got
REBB.
14 minutes until the market closes. TTT Teradyne GME IoT SE. This is a previous really strong mover. It's a bit too sideways. PLT as far as some more mid-cappy sized ones. PLSE. GDS.
BMTX.
BMTX. Let's see what's up there. Nope. Honest. Ugh. Summit. Yeah, well, that one looks great. It's just too late. AUR.
EOSE.
Array. EOSE it
EOSE.
just said? Okay.
DNA.
Yeah, wow. EOSE is almost going to make recent high breakout at 241. Nice. And I only have half size, huh? Oh, no, I guess I do have size that is, but I wish I had more. You always wish you had more. Neo. Okay, Neon. All right. That looks like this is closing strong. Oh, yeah, but I think it's already gotten away from us. Let's take a look. Neon.
BMTX.
Yeah, I mean, that's just insane. I was in it back here, got stopped out, and then wow, did it just go? How much is it up today? 53%. Very nice. Not like we haven't seen that from anything else before, but nice.
ASNS.
Mothry. What is that? Mothery? What is this? M3. M3. What a weird ticker. Okay. What is up? This
REBB.
descent into hell. And then at the close, anything else I need to worry about? No, looks like everything's okay. Possibly RR is not doing too well at the close here. Didn't I get short on that? Okay. And yeah, that's probably why. Okay. See if that short works over the next few days. CVKD, DNA, better.
MNPR.
RDHL. I think we already looked at that one. No.
SDIG.
FFIA Sing.
APDN.
CING.
APDN.
Okay, so we have here
MNPR.
REBB.
is possibly something that's still gonna go, and I don't think I'm in it.
FFIE.
I stop down here at $8. Let's look at the daily chart, intraday chart on that Sing.
MNPR.
What did it just now have a drop? It did, from 13 to 12. That must have been an offering. I got a little bit of. I'm getting my profit target on GovX.
MNPR.
Oh yeah! Wow! Look at that pop. Doo.
FFIE.
Very nice. Wow! That nearly erased everything bad that happened today
VRAX.
for me. Just that one move. Very nice. Very nice movement on GovX at the close here. Did I
VRAX.
alert that? I mean, that just looks great. I did not, but you know, that's the benefit of you watching the live stream. Because you know I got into that. At 7:33, right around here.
BMTX.
What am I hitting? The
MNPR.
profit target? I'm hitting a lot of profit targets on GovX. Gosh, it's just flying, man. What is? We gotta watch this. This is insane. Wow, and it's still not even all the way to the top. But it is moving like mad. In fact, is it gonna? It's halted. I was gonna say, is it gonna get halted? Yeah, it just halted. Amazing. I wonder if there's news on that. I can cancel my orders, you see, and keep some of my shares if there's outstanding news.
GOVX.
Let's take a look on StockTwits. Where are you, StockTwits? StockTwits. There we go. We go over to GovX and let's see what people are saying. If anybody knows something. Okay, it's halted. Somebody says, "What happened?" And there's it halted. What the fuck? It got suspended. What's going on? People, they don't know jack fucking shit.
GOVX, Golf
boom.
Oscar, Victor X-ray. Seen a report from Fox 2 Detroit that
1 minute
GOVX.
ago, big run coming. Somebody knows something and they know it very well. Somebody says squeezing. Shorty's getting wiped. Yeah, exactly. Do you see that, Michael? These are the shorts.
GOVX.
APDN.
MNPR.
They're getting wiped, as you see.
40%.
Mpox, and Health Front confirms first case since 2022. Oh,
GOVX.
GovX, they must make a vaccine or
GOVX.
of some kind.
MNPR.
The offering yesterday didn't really hurt the momentum. I guess there was an offering.
GOVX. GOVX.
Okay, anyone else joining the call at 4:10 p.m. Eastern Time? GovX. Okay, I guess there's a call gonna happen in 20 minutes. Could be why things are moving. Of course they're gonna talk about, they're gonna pump up their company because they're what's the word? You know, I want to say like disingenuous, but that's not the right word because they're crooked, you know?
And
Shitty companies. Alright, maybe they're making a vaccine though or whatever, but let's see. What is that vaccine news?
45.95% after the
VRAX.
It just raised it on an offering by diluting 1.7 million shares. Good for it, okay, because it didn't affect the price. Decliners, what's going on? 2 days ago, Mpox cases. I guess that's monkeypox. What to know? I guess GeoVox
BMTX.
has some monkeypox related vaccine. The monkeypox vaccine developer GeoVax Extends gains. Tonix Pharma also jumps. Oh, so this is a monkeypox move. Tonix Pharma. TNXP. Oh, that
And
that
ticker
crapped out.
VRAX.
Geovox, Gvox.
Victor Romeo Alpha X-ray.
So the
Zyrax,
question is
Biolab.
GOVX. The question is, do I cancel my other orders? Let's take a look at where they're up to. I have orders all the way to looks like 14 from here. I think that's reasonable. I don't think I'm going to cancel. I think that's reasonable. I'd be quite happy to get that. I got 100 shares at 733 today, I believe it was. Yeah, just right back here, 733. I believe it was today. I'll look at that in a minute. And I got what? I got 100 shares, 733. So stop would have been 633 area. I guess I was thinking 650. No, $6 would be a better stop. 733. I don't know. Let me double check. When did I get filled on this Geovox? Oh wow, it's GovX. I mean, it's the top of my daily gains, my day's gains today. Trades of all stocks that I'm holding, and this one, it's the most active and moving dollar wise. I got it today around 1 p.m. 80 shares. Oh no. You can't trust that in Thinkorswim. Okay, the 21st. I've been in and out of this thing. It's been a few trades. 100 shares at 1 p.m. Yeah, and I've already got 4 exits. That's what's happened here. 100 shares at 1 p.m. And so at 1 p.m. where was it?
APDN. APDN.
Right here. 740, and for some reason I stopped. I risked to 650. Well, it doesn't matter now. I mean, I'm making money, but I think that stop really should have been $6. This is my correct size now. Now I'm correctly sized. All right, we've got less than 5 minutes until the market opens, and closes, and this halt is going to open soon on Geovox.
UBXG. Big spread.
UBXG.
AEMD, Alpha Echo Michael Delta.
EOLS.
UBXG. Watch the spread.
Shares popping here,
DNA.
58 cents.
And when did it halt again? Oh, I don't have the time and sales up on that.
Case of Mpox. That's in Michigan.
UBXG.
1550, I think. 15.
RR.
UBX.
1549, 349. So it's already due. At 54 minutes, should have unhalted. So this, it's not halting. It's not unhalting. It may not. It may remain. Oh, because I think the last 10. If there's a halt within the last 10 minutes of the close or 15 minutes of the close, there's a special rule. The halt has to last 10 minutes, I think. Something like that. All right, so let's see what. That means it's going to open like right when the market's closing. This is interesting. Let's watch this in live time here.
DNA. REBB.
Never did figure out what happened on Sing.
APN.
Let's go see. Sing. Looks like an offer. I was going to get into that, and it looks like maybe within a minute
NKTR.
it's an offering or something.
REBB.
Just a little news. Okay. Take a look at this. 7 minutes ago. 100,000, 1 minute sell off.
DNA.
Take a look at SMX, says somebody. Okay. Nothing going on there. People are ridiculous. All right, GovX. Let's watch and see what happens at the close here. 2 minutes to the close, and then I guess they're having a conference call 10 minutes after that at 4:10. And VRAC says RJ. Yeah, I think I got into that. Let's see. VRAX. Ah, motherfucker. Yeah. Sweet. I'm in both, and it's something related
GeoVax shares spiking to the highs, $8.29
to monkeypox
on that,
news / theme.
news. Shares of GeoVax.
I don't have any take
VRAX.
profits on VRAX. Let's figure out where those are going to be. I do have them on GeoVX, so what am I going to do here on VRAX? Let's figure that out. Quite literally, the next profit is at 848. Wow. So this is a lot of room to grow. 846 right there. I will sell a quarter. 846. Okay. And then after that, did GovX just open? No. And then after that, 950. 946.
APDN.
After that, 1174. So 1170. Finally 16. So 1578. 1571. All right, that's the total. That would be everything. Let's go back to GovX and see if it has come out of the halt yet. It has not. So interesting.
WDO.
These stocks are going crazy right now because of monkeypox.
HLVX.
Okay, market's closing in 30 seconds.
PLTK. NTST. ORSN.
WDO. Kirk.
SRDA.
COSM.
Okay, what was that? Oh, okay. So that because the market closed, it came out of the halt, GovX, and I'm hitting profit targets here on GovX. Let's go back to GovX. Nice.
FFIE.
Oh man, this is a big winner. 'Cause, I mean, you know, it's only like a couple $100, but in a diversified portfolio of penny stocking like I have, this is sweet.
DHL.
Beautiful. And if I'm over 100 there, then that's, you know, more than an R,
WDO.
and there's still a lot of
1
upside
minute to the
potential
US
to
market
it.
close.
There's market
RDHL.
closing, and there's
RDHL.
a conference call at 4:10 p.m. EST for GovX. 895. I didn't have a profit there at 895. My next 896. You gotta be kidding me. I keep just barely getting missed. Getting my orders just barely missed. But we hit 9 in after hours, and I suspect things are really going to move around over the next few days on this.
DNA.
Yeah. Alright, I got to get up and walk around. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're pulling back some, but that's exactly why I took profits. What was the other one? Vox, he said? VRAX. So that's monkeypox related as well. Okay, yeah, looking great on that as well. Alright, it just happened to be get exposed into monkeypox just at the right time. This is why following momentum, being a momentum small capper, is a fun slice of the market.
MDX Health reporting
APDN.
Alright, yeah.
year-over-year Q2 revenues increased by
EX
36%.
also did good. I wonder if that's monkeypox related. Alright, BVS had a great day today as well. Another stock of mine.
Michael's Delta X-ray
That
hotel.
I'm in. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna keep streaming though. I'm gonna mute this. Turn this off.
SIGA announcing new contract awarded by Department of Defense.
REDB.
for a
SIGA.
procurement of $9 million of TPOX,
DXYZ.
Sandy India Golf Alpha,
Big spread.
SIGA,
GOGX. GOGX.
VRAX.
SIGA. GOVX.
SPY. VRAX.
GOVX.
SOXL. SIGA.
GOVX.
BHVN. Watch the spread.
GG. TRCT.
VRAX.
Coming up,
See-
earnings from Zoom Video, expecting $1.21 for ZM.
FFIE.
Also, URBN Urban Outfitters, expecting
SIGA.
$1.01.
GA.
ALG. GDC. SCLX.
DKS. SIDU.
FFIE.
SIGX.
GEVO, GEVO,
GX.
Supply, renewable hydrocarbon-based low carbon intensity racing fuel blend stock. The Shell, that's Golf Echo Victor Oscar,
APDN.
MMV.
GEVO,
GETH.
and
SXTP.
SAEL.
URBN. Hollow. EFC. RDDT. DNLI.
APDN.
AIEV.
APDN.
SRCL. REVB. REVB.
APDN. REVB.
LQDA. BHR. GLDG.
SIGA. APDN.
STR. REVB.
REVB.
EBS. CABA.
VRAX.
EBLG.
VRAX.
RDT. TEM. REVB.
VRAX.
REVB.
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 NST. REVB. 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 DY.
DNA. Big spread.
CMP.
DNA.
AAMC. DTIL. UMBO. RDDT. AAMC.
VRAX.
FIBN. EVS. GEVO.
IBIT.
RRBN.
AMDL.
EBS.
EBS. EBS.
URBN Urban Outfitters reporting
EBS.
reporting $1.24.
URBN.
The estimate on Urban Outfitters was $1.05, so that's 8 for URBN. ZM Zoom $1.39. The estimate was $1.21 for Zulu Michael. Revenue of $1.162 billion. The estimate was $1.14 billion. So that is a beat for Zulu Michael.
Wolf. Watch the spread.
Full year revenue seen at
ZM.
4.63 to
Watch the spread.
$4.64 billion for
RDB.
ZM Zoom. SNPS
RDB.
Synopsis reporting $3.43. The estimate was $3.28 for Sandy
Big
November
spread.
Papa Sandy. Revenue 1.526 billion. The estimate was 1.519 billion. That's a beat for
GDC.
SNPS. WOLF, Wolfspeed.
REVB.
REVB, ATAC. OK Wild.
Wolfspeed
APDN.
reporting
AIEV.
their results, waiting for those numbers.
AIEV. 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 AIEV.
Says
AI
the first quarter of
AIEV.
FY 2025 targets revenue
MDJH.
from continuing operations of 185 million to 215 million.
AIEV.
That's WOLF.
SMFL.
CM.
APDN.
AIEV.
SSNC raises quarterly dividend
APDN.
from 24 cents to 25
APDN.
cents. That's Sandy November Charlie.
Good. GDC.
AIEV.
GDC.
MSFT, Microsoft
CM.
sees Q1 Intelligent Cloud Outlook revenue from 23.8 billion to 24.1 billion. That's Michael Sandy Foxtrot Tango,
CM.
MSFT.
GDC.
Snowflake reporting 800, a loss of 95 cents for Snowflake. The estimate was a loss of 89 cents, or a wider loss than expected. For Sandy
APDN.
November Oscar Whiskey, revenue of
GDC.
868.8 million.
AIEV. AIEV.
AIEV.
VRAX.
The estimate was
VRAX.
849 million, so that is a beat
NNBR.
for Snowflake on revenue, a
Wolf.
wider loss than expected
Watch the
for
spread.
SNOW.
Wolf. Big spread.
NNBC.
Wolf. Big spread.
CVKD.
ZUO, Zuora reporting 19 cents. The estimate was
BTAK.
10 cents for Zulu Uniform
ZM.
Oscar. Revenue of 115.4 million. The
VRAX.
estimate was 112.6 million
VRAX.
for ZUO.
VRAX.
WT.
VRAX.
MXC.
Letter A,
GOBX.
Agilent reporting. Agilent
DSM.
reporting
URBN.
$1.32. The estimate was $1.26 for letter A. Revenue 1.58 billion. The estimate was
So.
1.55 billion for letter
RDB.
A. Agilent
So.
sees Q4 revenue
So.
of 1.641 billion
So.
to 1.691 billion
So.
versus the $1.558 billion estimate. Adjusted earnings of $1.38 to $1.42 versus the $1.26 estimate for letter A. Sees full year
So.
2024 revenue of 6.45 to 6.5
SMG.
billion versus the $6.46 billion estimate, and full year adjusted earnings of $5.21 to $5.25 versus the $5.20 estimate. That's letter A, Agilent Technologies.
MXC.
Shares of Agilent spiked on that 144.75 the high,
TNG.
now at 143.50. That's up about $3.50.
AMZN. Big spread.
Shares of Urban Outfitters, URBN, right now off the highs at
APDN.
$43, up $1.52 for URBN. Shares of Snowflake, SNOW, trading lower, 127.18, down about $8. Following that report from Snowflake, SNOW. Shares
APDN.
of Zoom Video at 61.77, off the highs of 63.20. That's Zulu Michael.
VRAX. APDN.
GHSI.
VRAX. GHSI. Big spread. GHSI. VRAX. VRAX. AIEV.
CMND,
VRAX.
ARLB, CMND, CMND,
VRAX.
CMND,
CMND.
MXC,
CMND. CMND.
CMND,
CMND. CMND. CMND.
CMND, Clearmind, granted U.S. patent approval for binge behavior treatment. That's Charlie Michael November Delta, CMND.
MXC,
AIEV. VRAX.
MIO,
ZO. ZO.
WSM, so, MX, so,
ZO.
so,
ZO. Big spread.
so,
Microsoft sees Q1 more
So-
personal computing revenue of 12.25 to 12.65 billion. Sees Q1 productivity and business processes
So-
revenue of 27.75 billion to
GOBX.
28.05 billion. Sees Q1 Azure and other cloud services revenue to be sequentially down 1 to 2 points. That's Michael Sandy Foxtrot
VRAX.
Tango.
GHSI.
KGN,
VRAX. VRAX.
so, GXAI,
VRAX. CMND. VRAX. VRAX.
RZLV, DB,
CMND.
MXC, GHSI, GHSI,
GHSI. Big spread. GHSI. Big spread.
GHSI,
GHSI.
PWM,
Big spread. VRAX.
VRAX, INMB,
VRAX.
UFI Unify reporting a loss of 22 cents.
VRAX, VRAX,
The estimate
VRAX,
VRAX.
a loss of 21 cents, so that's a penny wider loss than expected.
VRAX,
VRAX.
VRAX,
UNFI Disney naming James Gorman as Succession Planning
MXC,
Committee Chair.
MXC,
That's DIS Disney.
REVB,
APDN.
Delta India Sandy.
MXC. VRAX.
VRAX.
VRAX. VRAX.
VRAX.
VRAX. VRAX.
VRAX. APDN. IBIT.
DB. MXC.
AGX,
CORZ.
CFO to retire on
APDN.
September 15th. Company naming a new CFO. That's Alpha Golf
MXC.
X-Ray.
Big spread. REVB.
GFAI. PEGY. POAI. CVKD. MXC.
MXC.
RZLV.
Big spread.
GXAI. RZLV.
DB. Big spread.
GFAI.
CMND. 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 GHSI.
MXC.
CMND.
RZLV. BYU. LRHC.
CMND.
MXC. MXC.
CMND. GDC.
TBBB.
VRAX. VRAX. GDC. REVB.
JZXN. LMND.
CMND. GDC.
TBBB.
GDC. GOVX. WANA. GDC. GOVX.
NAC,
VRAX,
KAVL,
GDC, TQQQ, Sophie, GDC, ZO, SMFL, ELWS, GDC, GDC, GDC,
BGM,
GDC,
SLGL, MNDR, DTIL, Capped,
APDN, GDC, GDC, APDN, APDN, AMD, QS,
GCTK,
GOVX, GDC, GDC,
QTI,
REBB, GDC, GOVX, VRAX, BBAI,
All right.
SDIG,
DSS, company
GDC,
CEO Frank
ZO,
Uzel to step down. That's Delta Sandy
CMND,
Jason Grady named
ZO,
interim CEO.
DOYU,
That's DSS.
CMND,
CMRX ZEB,
CMND,
CMTI.
CMND.
ALVO, Alvatech, files for offering of up to
VRAX.
1.8 million shares by selling shareholders. That's Alpha Lima Victor
VRAX.
Oscar.
CMRX.
VRAX.
ZEB. SRM.
CMND.
ZEB.
VRAX. VRAX. ZO. VRAX. VRAX. APDN. SXTP.
GSUN. DERM.
SXTP. Wolf. APDN.